So hi again. We want to continue with our spreadsheet. Basically, when I when you type out your data, you will get your data looking just like this. In case you are getting this, the entire column heading of first name is not displayed properly. That's quite an easy fix. All you need to do is put your cursor between A and B, and you double click, and it will expand to house first name. Another way you can expand your column is by holding on your left mouse button and dragging across, or moving to the left to decrease it. All right, so fear not. That's a very easy fix. Let's get on to a function. The first function I want to introduce you to is something called the total, or the sum function, and we want to find the total for Troy Ali. So basically, I put my cursor in cell F2, and I'm going to click up here in my toolbar, right, and click auto sum. When I click on that, by default, the computer produces this formula: equal sign sum open bracket C2 colon E2 close bracket. So by default, the computer came up with the right range to find the sum of those numbers in the range. So when I press enter, I basically get an answer. All right. So I will just mention here that in Excel we don't add numbers really, we add cells, and this function here, equal sign sum open bracket C2 to E2, it basically finds the sum of the numbers in that particular range. All right. Another cool feature in Excel is that we could copy a formula. So my formula is in cell F2. If you notice, I am seeing 201 in the spreadsheet, but in the formula bar, I'm seeing the actual formula. All right. So if I want to copy this formula, I can just put my cursor in F2, right click, choose the copy option, and then highlight the rest of the students I want to find the total for, and press enter. And immediately I get a total for everyone else. All right. Another cool thing is that, let's say for instance, Daniel Cumberbatch, his mark wasn't 45 in maths. He's probably got 78. If I just change that, notice how the total is automatically um, recalculated. Notice again, Alexander Stanley, let's say for instance, his physics mark was not 51, but actually 80, right? Notice how it changed automatically. Right? A second function I want to introduce you to is very quickly is one called average. I put in average there, and I want to find the average of Troy Ali again. I, what I do, I click on this little button next to AutoSum, and I choose average. Again, the computer come up with a formula equal sign average C2 to F2. But this time I need to edit it, so I hold on my left mouse button and I highlight the three subjects only. And basically, when I press enter, I get an average actually for Troy. I can copy this formula, so I copy it and I paste it, and I will get an average for every student. Now, another cool thing, let's say I highlight my range here. I can increase the number of decimal places, right? This is to decrease it, and this is to increase it. All right. So let's say I want to set it to 2 decimal places. I could just do it like that, and I have my answer to my average to 2 decimal places. So we'll continue in another video.